Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a talk through step by step on how I achieve my perfect wash and go. I'm going to start off on cleansed hair. I will be using this Cream of Nature shampoo, but if I had a lot of buildup on my hair, I would use this olive oil shampoo. It does a deeper cleanse than the Cream of Nature. Okay, right here you just see me cleansing my hair. After rinsing out all of the shampoo, next I will be adding some aloe vera juice mixed with water into my spray bottle. And I will be adding this mixture to my hair before my conditioning treatment. I do this before every conditioning treatment, whether it's a deep conditioner or a regular conditioner. Right here you just see me spraying it onto all of my hair, doing a little massage, and as you can see, the shine is bursting through already. Aloe vera is very good for giving your hair shine. Next, I'm going to be adding my deep conditioning mask. I'm going to massage that in with my fingers first, and then I will be using my massage brush to continue massaging my scalp for another 10 minutes. Once I am finished doing my scalp massage, I'm going to place a plastic cap and a conditioning cap on, and then I'm going to put on my heated cap for 30 minutes. And this heated cap is going to help the product absorb into my strands easily because I do have low porosity hair, and if I don't use heat, the product will just sit on top of my strands, and the heat is going to make the product absorb more easily onto my strands. After my 30 minutes is up, I rinse the product out. Y'all, look at all of this shine I achieved from that aloe vera juice. I make sure every product I use on my hair contains some form of aloe vera because aloe vera is an ingredient that works very well for my hair. Okay, right here it is time to detangle, and my hair is starting to get dry, so I added some warm water into my spray bottle, and I'm going to go section by section spraying my hair until it is dripping wet. I'm going to start detangling from the ends going upwards, and then I'm going to put my hair in 2-strand twists all the way around until all of my hair is detangled. And for best results, in my opinion, it is best to always work in sections. After detangling, I am going to be applying this Midnite Train Leave-In Conditioner by Uncle Funky's Daughter. I'm just gonna massage this in, and as you can see, the shine is there. This conditioner also contains aloe vera juice. My hair loves aloe vera juice, so you're gonna see the shine bursting through once again. already did my wash and go in the back. Now I'm going to start on my side, and I'm going to spray my hair with warm water once again until it is dripping wet. Okay, right here, this is going to be a close-up of my hair once I reactivated the leave-in conditioner that I used a few minutes ago. And the product that I will be using, the styler that I will be using to do my wash and go, is Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. And I am going to be using 2 to 3 pumps of this gel per section. Make sure when adding the gel, you put it to your roots at the top and the bottom, making sure all of your strands are covered with this gel. And I also have to mention that this particular gel by Uncle Funky's Daughter contains aloe vera as well, which leaves my hair very shiny and moisturized for an entire week. Okay, right here I'm just going to make sure that my ends are detangled because they have to be detangled and smooth in order to achieve the perfect wash and go. I'm going to begin shingling. And how I shingle is, first I grab a small piece of hair, and I don't know if you can see me doing this, but first I smooth it with my fingers and then I twirl it with my fingers. Sometimes I'll go through and smooth it once or twice, but I make sure to smooth it, then twirl it around my fingers. I'm just going to show you this in regular time a few more times, and then just to speed the video up a little, I'm gonna speed it up. Okay, next I'm just going to give you some side shots and the back shot of my hair so far. I'm going to start in the front, spraying my hair till it's dripping wet, and then you can see that it reactivated my leave-in conditioner once again. Right here I'm adding the gel to my roots, and then I will begin adding the product underneath, and then I will spread it throughout the rest of my strands. And I am going to begin shingling. And if you notice, when I shingled on the side, I picked very small pieces of hair to shingle. In the front, I used medium-sized sections of hair to shingle. You don't have to do it that way, that's just how I choose to do it. I do my front shingles a little bigger. And here's a close-up of how they are looking. Look at those curls coming through. I love aloe vera. My hair loves aloe vera, and any product that I use that contains aloe vera, I have the perfect end results. Okay, I'm just going to continue doing those exact same steps until all of my hair is shingled, and then I will be back. Yes, after an hour and a half of shingling my hair, it's time to shake those curls. Make sure they are all separated and ready for the drying process. I am going to be using a diffuser to dry my roots because I do not like sleeping on wet hair. I'm not going to get my hair 100% dry, but I am going to get it at least 70% dry. Okay, once I am finished using my diffuser, I am going to switch over to my concentrator nozzle. And I use this to make my hair in the front and the middle top to stand. I like my hair on the top to stand, so I'm going to concentrate this nozzle on the parts I need to be lifted. I'm going to do this for a few minutes and then I'm going to grab my pick to continue lifting the top parts. Okay, here's my pick, and I'm just going to stick that in and lift it only a little bit, not to disturb my curls. And I'm going to concentrate this nozzle right in that section. Moving over to the other side, I am going to do the exact same thing, lifting it up a little, making sure not to disturb any of my curls. And I'm trying to get my roots dry also. Look at these curls, y'all. Look at that definition. Look at that shine. I know you can't look at the moisture, but yes, there's moisture in here and there is hold with this gel. I love my end results, and this is my favorite product to use for the perfect wash and go. And right here, I just want to quickly show you how I do my nighttime routine to preserve my curls. Right here, I just have some satin scrunchies. I have 4. I'm just going to wrap them around 4 medium-sized sections on the top of my hair. And this is the hair that I said I like to stand, and I wanted to stay stretched also. And by these being satin scrunchies, they can just slide right out of my hair in the morning. And I'm just going to add these little clips in the front so my hair can lay flat. Next morning, taking off my satin bonnet, and here I'm just going to unravel these hair ties. I'm going to do a little fluffing with my fingers, remove these hair clips. And guys, I also added some small black bobby pins to my hair in the front just to keep it flat onto my forehead. I'm going to continue fluffing my hair at the top, being very careful not to touch my sides or my back too much because I want to give the illusion of a tapered cut because my hair is all one length. But I would like to make it look like I have a shape, so I kind of leave my back and sides pushed in. Sometimes I'll take my hands and push the sides and the back end a little and then fluff my top and stretch it a little more just to give myself a shape. And then I gel my edges and the style will be complete. And I hope my video was helpful. And I hope you enjoyed it. You have any questions, leave them down below and I will get back to you. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day.